Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook Messenger not sending messages 2023. Sorry. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook Messenger not sending messages 2023, you should just go to settings like this. We click. After that, in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then here, then you will go to click for stop. After that, you will enter to storage. When you will end this, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all this, that stuff, as you see here, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.